bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
Because I know that I've been wanting to try cooking like forever. But as far as like release and stuff like that, like it felt really good after. The marks on my back are freaking gnarly though. Like,
it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. You know, check it out.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.